Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your Stealth 600 Gen 3. So, to perform a hard reset, right here at the left ear cup we have controls. You should press at the same time mode button and quick switch button. So just press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. Here we go. Now release your finger and these headphones reconnect to your phone automatically. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.